name was so cool, and and I don't understand where that idea came from and how does that correspond with me drawing the correlation and then coordinates between music and art, and it's the whole aspect of Nash equilibrium. You know, Nash Professor Russell Coder actor Professor John Nash was a mathematician, inevitably developing hyperphrenia, pareidolia, hallucination, illusions, psychosis, and the follow me down the rabbit hole. Alice in Wonderland, Morpheus, Neo, Trinity, schizophrenia. So basically, Professor John Nash came up with this whole Nash equilibrium, they call it. And he called it governing dynamics. Governing dynamics is basically, I think it's called game theory in economics. And his whole idea of Nash equilibrium, governing dynamics, was sort of like a paradigm shift in economics. And what I find fascinating with John Nash's formula was it was really a metaphor. It was actually an analogy. Metaphors and analogies are they're dichotomy. You know, they're mutually exclusive. All of both terms are used interchangeably. You know, metaphors is basically finding